I want to pursue spiritual service as a career as well, and I want to make a living out of it. Can you guide me through that?
You won't make a living out of it. You will exist, that's all. Somebody will feed you. But you won't make a living. Making a living means making money. But somebody will feed you. Somebody will give you bhiksha when you do spiritual service. With that bhiksha you can survive. You cannot make a living. You cannot build a house. But you will survive. You will beautifully survive spiritual service. You will not make a living. For to make a living you must do some business. You must earn money. Then you can make a living. But with spiritual service you will always beautifully exist, happily. That much is there. Because I have been existing for the past 30 years. I am not earning money. I have stopped earning money in the year 1992. And since then I am existing. I am living, I am not dead. People are giving me food. People will give food to you also. When you give spirituality to others, they give food to you.